Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send blank or invisible text on Discord. First, click on the server you want to post in from the left sidebar. For this example, I'm selecting Test Account Server. The server opens, and you'll see the main text channel view. Click on the message box to place your cursor there. Type your message using 2 vertical bar characters before and after the text you want to hide. I'm typing, "Hello 2 vertical bars." This is a hidden message 2 vertical bars. The vertical bars act as spoiler markers. Press Enter and your message posts to the channel with the hidden text appearing as a gray spoiler block. Click on the spoiler block to reveal the hidden text underneath. It now shows, "Hello, this is a hidden message," with the text visible. To send a completely blank message instead of a spoiler, you'll need to paste an invisible Unicode character into the message box. Search for invisible character in your browser and copy one from any generator site. You can use spoilers to hide plot twists, answers to questions, or sensitive information that people can choose to reveal. If you want to hide an entire message with no visible text before it, just use the double vertical bars around your text with nothing in front. The spoiler formatting works in both server channels and direct messages. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.